come to my attention, which to me is very urgent. You may know about the Irish Association of Supported Employment, IASE. I have a vested interest in that. As it happens, I'm patron of that. It's the only organisation in Ireland whose unique sole function is the promotion of employment of people with disabilities. They believe that everybody with disabilities should have an opportunity to go out there and to have work experience and a job. They're based in Belmullet in County Mayo. They provide employment for up to 800 people every year. They have a job shadow day. People come on and work on from there. Every year you've got at least 50 people with disabilities who actually end up in longer-term employment as a result. They're closing down. And the reason they're closing down, they need cash flow. They've got a staff of 5 people, and the total wages cost is $6,000 a month. That's roughly $1,000 a week per individual. They're absolutely passionate about what they do. They've applied, they have applications pending, service level agreement with Department of Social Protection, National Lottery funding, Northern Trust sponsorship, and Human Rights and Equality Grant Scheme in 2016. They're going to close in the next couple of days unless they get funding of in the region of €100,000. Leader, I ask you to, as a matter of urgency, to contact the Minister for the Gaeltacht, Sean Kine, or one of your other colleagues, to help them with bridging funding to keep this absolutely crucial, essential service going. Go to